Hello, my dear friends. Willingness to work and excel is the matter. There is no bar of ease. You have seen how our beloved industrialist Padma Vibhushan awardee, which is the second highest civilian award in India, has proved if there is a willingness, anyone can rise up to the sky level. Yes, our beloved Sri Sri Ratan Tata ji has proved that he has his business in around 100 countries all over the world, and he has proved his talent. He has proved how he can manage, how he can spend some amount of money from his earning for the charitable purposes, how he can become the boon for the Indian economy, how he has loved the people of India as well as the people of whole world. Most of his income is devoted for the charitable purposes. He is the only industrialist on the top who has donated for the welfare of many poor in India, for the welfare of the people of India. Tata Memorial Cancer Hospital as hospital in Bombay and so many other places. You are seeing Taj Hotel in Bombay, Tata Consultancy, Tata Nano Cars for the poor. We say lakh takiya car in 1 lakh rupees. He has made the car for the poor who can afford 50 lakh. If you pay less than that and pay later on in the installments, then 1 lakh rupee. Within 1 lakh rupees, he has made the nano car, Sri Sri Ratan Tata ji. He is the only Indian industrialist who has thought for the welfare of the people of India. As I told you, there is no limit for the devotion, dedication, discipline. We can learn so many things from our industrialist, beloved Sri Sri Ratan Tata ji. So that is why we say that there is no bar for the age. At the age of 86, he has started his new journey to reach heaven. Or rather, we all Indians pray for his peaceful rest in the heaven and the noble guidance. We expect that from the heaven also he will give his noble guidance for the upliftment of so many poor in India, as well as his contribution towards the progress in India, we will remember forever. We say willingness to work and excel is the matter. We can learn how our scientists C. Radhakrishnan Rao has received Nobel Prize at the age of 102 in the USA, America. After the age of 60, he retired from the university and he went to the America to live with his children, grandchildren, and there he has proved his intelligence and proved his ability, and he finally received Nobel Prize at the age of 102. We wish him good health, good knowledge, whichever he has imparted here in India. We will always remember these two dignitaries of India. Our Sri Radhakrishnan Rao sir has received Padma Vibhushan, which is the second highest civilian award in India, and our beloved C. Radhakrishnan Rao sir has received Nobel Prize in the USA. He has got the citizenship of USA. He is staying in the USA. So it is the matter of great pride for all of us, for all of Indians, that we can take the lesson from our beloved C. Radhakrishnan Rao sir. The way he is working there still in the USA, really marvelous. So we should also plan how to tolerate each religion here in India. We always read in the newspaper that people, they are creating all kind of chaos, which is really devastating in the Indian society. Their love and affection, the peace and tranquility, respect of each other to maintain the communal harmony is the matter of great concern nowadays here in India also. Whether it is Bahraich incident which took place recently, whether we find any incident in the villages of Uttar Pradesh and India, the POCSO, Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act, has been enforced to prevent the children from the sexual offences, sexual abuses. Because children, they are more prone for the sexual crimes. Now and then we read in the newspaper that minor girls, they are raped and murdered in the Indian society. How downgraded our morality. It is the great concern for all of us. We should preach, we should follow the good governance, the good moral ethics, the good moral values, the human values which is inculcated by our teachers. Morality, all human like qualities are to be embedded in our characters. We should love the children, not to harass them, not to exploit them, not to kill them. People, they are killing the innocent. What kind of tolerance we have in our mind? Are we became mental? Or we became insane? Or we became so intolerant that we are unable to respect the rich culture and heritage of our India? This is the real matter of great concern for all the missionaries of the government of India. Why we hesitate to take the stern action against the culprits who are responsible for the creating chaos, destabilizing the peace in the Indian society. We have very rich culture. We have all kind of festivals which teaches us how to tolerate all the religion. If you want to rise, if you want to progress, if you want to send the message of peace and tranquility to the whole world, then we have to learn the lesson from our old moral teachings which are written in our many religious books, whether maybe the Bhagavad Gita, whether the Ramcharitmanas, whether the Quran Sharif, whether in the Bible, we all have the good moral teachings there. If the character is lost, everything is lost. We say the wealth is lost, something is lost, the health is lost, nothing is lost, the character is lost, everything is lost. So we should focus on our character, moral values, helping each other, communal and harmonies, how to maintain communal and harmony in whole India, and then only we can send the message of peace and tranquility to the whole world. Thank you, one and all. I am Dr. Santosh Lal Kamal, advocate from this. We should inculcate good habits, good moral values, good human values to rise up to the sky level. Thank you, one and all. Again, wish you all the best for the coming festivals which are called here. We have passed Dussehra. Today is Karwa Chauth. Then Dhanteras, Narak Chaudas, Deepavali, Deepavali, Govardhan Puja, Bhaiya Duis, Chhat Puja, Kartik Purnima, and all so many festivals. We can say that India is the festival of India is the country of festivals. India is the country for sending the message of peace, love and affection to the whole world. We are finding so many countries are fighting each other. We know how the Israel, Iran, Lebanon, Yemen tension is going on, how the Israel is fighting with his neighboring countries, how the Rus and Ukraine is fighting going on. How the China and Taiwan, how the South Korea, North Korea is having the tension. We, we expect that we should not tending towards the nuclear war. We should always respect the peace and tranquility, sovereignty of every country. We should respect the government and citizens of whole world, and we respect the culture and heritage of the whole world. We have no right to interfere in any other country's internal matter. We always respect the bilateral talk to resolve all kinds of problems faced between two countries. We follow the policy of non-violence, and there is no place of violence in any way in our Indian society. Thank you one and all for being with me, for watching this video. Thank you.